Hi guys, this is Emmanuel here, one of your tutor at Easy Technical Constructions. This video is to introduce you to the new content I'll be uploading to the channel as time goes on. Rather than the normal technical drawing with pencil and roller like that, we've decided to move to computer-aided design. So instead of drawing with pencil, that will be complaining of camera exposure and all like that. It's now be on screen with computer, and then you'll be able to get the explanation better like that. But then we'll be majoring on building drawing like that. But don't get me wrong, that you are not aspiring to be an architect or you don't have anything to do with buildings like that doesn't mean you won't learn from this channel. The computer aided design, we are going to start from the basics, which is still the normal lines, continuous thick lines, thin lines like that, and then the isometric drawing that we've done with pencil before. And then we are also going to do a bit of mechanical drawing. This implies that you that want to become an engineer, maybe mechanical engineer, you are going to benefit from this also, because some of the softwares will be talking on or explaining some things about. You are also going to use it as an engineer. For example, AutoCAD for engineering students. So the mechanical aspect, you are going to learn it here also like that. So let's just stop this talking and talking and talking. Let's see briefly what and what we'll be learning from this channel. One of the softwares we'll be looking at is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is one of the earliest drafting tools to be created, like the computer aided design software, one of the earliest. So it's more or less like the paper drawing. It's really similar, just that it is on screen. See the lines, you can decide to use continuous thin and all of that. Those are stuff you'll be learning as soon as the tutorial starts. You can use AutoCAD to create a simple floor plan and then maybe copy it on that software to continue your modeling and all like that. The doors, in normal technical drawing, you use your hand and compass to create all these curves and all. Likewise, you draw them here also in AutoCAD, and then that. Now you remember I said that it's not only for those that want to become an architect or someone related to the building like profession like that. You can also use it for isometric drawings, mechanical drawings, quite a lot of things. So as soon as the tutorial starts, this and some other stuff are what we'll be learning in the tutorial. Yeah, another software we'll be looking at is Revit. This is my favorite of all the building softwares and all. I don't know why, but I prefer this. Yeah, so this is the work environment. Like other softwares, it allows you to do quite a lot of things there, ranging from designing, your terrain to make it realistic. The ground is not all that smooth. It's just that when you want to start building design, they do some grading and all this. So the rough terrain is what I just did try to depict here with this. You will notice that it is looking really rough there. And then look at the stairs too. Like in other software, you can create curved stairs, spiral stairs, straight line stairs, straight flight, and all. Look at the roof. You can also look at the roof also. You can also do any other type of roof, gable roof, hip roof, Dutch roof, and all. Look at windows. You can put windows there. Look at something like this. I just did that now. So there are a lot of things you can learn: windows, doors, walls. You can create conceptual designs too, like this Zahadi building, that cup like structure. You can use Revit to do that also. quite a lot. So Revit really recognize levels, elevations, and all. So those are stuff you'll be learning here. I can't teach you what to design. I can only guide you on what tool you need to design what you want to design. So those are the stuff I will be explaining as soon as the tutorial on Revit starts. Another software we'll be looking at is SketchUp. SketchUp is a very flexible application that allows you to do quite a lot of things. This is the work environment, and this is something I did for purpose of this video. It does not follow any specific standard or measurement per se. I did it just to show you what you can use SketchUp for. So this is one of the things you can do with SketchUp, importing materials, just like in um, other building software or computer aided design software. Yeah, I imported this landscape interlock just to make the floor distinct from this one that looks like grass and from this one that looks like water. Look at this curved part also. Should I call it a bridge? Look at the asphalt. So looking like road, kind of. Look at this skylight. Look at the stairs. Look at the form it takes, the shape, the curved shape it took. Look at this opening. Quite a lot of things. Look at this placing something on another. A lot of things that you can do there. So I will start from the basics in a week time, God's willing, and then before some months or years, at least you should be able to start doing some big designs.